Greetings, traders out there in Traderland. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. D7 here. All right, we have the Dow up, the S&P up, the Nasdaq up, and the Russell's up. Almost a full percent across the board. Russell's actually hitting 1% up. That is a very, very nice move. Northbound, the VIX, however, didn't impress me much. It should have dropped at least 3%. Did not happen. So the volatility index, the fear indicator, not confirming this big bullish move that we just received. Does not surprise me because we're sitting at the S&P daily at 1100. We've been talking about that being a potential resistance point, and what we're building now is a high base. Here's our run up, and a high base formation in the works. What I'm looking for on the bull side is a breakout over that high. If we can get a breakout over this high base formation, we do have trend lines that we're going to have to crash through, but this might be a tough little area. Now, if we can blast through all of those, we are doing exceptionally well, and let me tell you why that is so exceptional. I'm going to be bringing in another chart. Here's the monthly chart. Look at this very, very closely. Resistance, resistance, and resistance. But when you zoom in, we are over resistance. For us to close higher than this line, that resistance line on a monthly chart, that would be very bullish. For this to be acting as resistance, that means this, by the time October is done and over with, it will have to have dropped down below 1055. Now let me show you that line here on the chart. It's a red line right there. That means this, by the time October 31st hits, I believe that's a Saturday, so by the time October 30th hits, we need to be at or below 1055. If that happens, that will be a very bearish signal for the markets. If we can stay above that by that time, that will be a bullish move because the monthly will have busted through. Although extended, what we're going to be doing is that will sustain some significant damage to this downtrend that we're trying to develop here on the monthly. So that would be a big win for the bulls to get a close that high. But if it comes back down, that will be a big win for the bears. Start licking their chops, looking for downward motion. But right now we are making higher swing highs. We have a high base. This is bullish territory. Just know that you have some resistance ahead of you. Happy trading. Oh, I cannot end without saying this. Tomorrow night, Tuesday evening, is our last Meet the Mentor webinar before our event that we are having next weekend. If you want to be mentored by me, if you want to be mentored by Matador, if you want to be mentored by the two of us from the comforts of your own home at freetradingvideos.com, just click on the service tab and then put your information in the form, and we will send you out very quickly an invitation, a private invitation, for you to hear more about it tomorrow night. So looking forward to talking with you all, and for those that have signed up, looking forward to mentoring you for a 3-day program. It's actually 4 days. We do the 4th day later, but this will be our first 3 days. It's next weekend. Looking forward to it.